Hey everyone, wanted to show you a workaround. Many students have asked about this, and again, it's sort of a hit or miss, and I'm not really sure. But sometimes when you come down here to do a real-time preview and open this up within Chrome, sometimes you get an error message. So again, mine in this case will work. It will go back to Chrome and then it will preview in browser. However, like I said, some people are getting this error message where it's showing up on your screen where you have this. So this is a scenario that I want to just give you a workaround on that. So if you get this error message, what you want to do is you want to go back in and just simply, instead of doing the real-time preview, just go back to your folder on your desktop, go to your, whatever file you want to preview and just open it up through Chrome that way. This is probably the easiest way to just do the workaround on it. So again, instead of doing the real-time preview within um, Dreamweaver, just go back to your desktop and go to the files you want and open it up that way. The only thing that I've got to forewarn you on is make sure you have it saved. Um, Typically when you go from real-time preview and if it's not saved, it's going to give you an error message or at least give you a warning about this. This will not do that. So make sure you've got the most recent copy saved and it should be fine. But again, in regards to getting this error message, I want to make sure you understand just to go back to your desktop and work through it that way.